Good morning, my dear students. Next is given fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Definition is given: every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Means of fundamental theorem is when you will find the factor of any numbers, so that factorization is unique. Prime factorization is unique, that cannot be changed. As if you will find the factor of 6, so that is 2 multiply 3, that is always fixed, it cannot be changed. This is the means of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next one note is given: product of two numbers is equal product of their HCF and LCM. Means if two numbers is given A and B, equal HCF of A, B multiply LCM of AB. Any two numbers is given, so when you will find the HCF and LCM, so HCF and LCM both multiply is equal to the product of both numbers. So did you understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 4 in exercise 1.2. So question number 4 is given that HCF of 306 657 is equal 9. Find the LCM of this and this.
Yes.
So means solution is, how you can find the solution? Given that HCF and 306 and 657 is equal 9, so we know that AB equal HL. AB two numbers, H is the HCF and L is the LCM. Put these values and calculate, then you will find the LCM. So LCM is the 22,338. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Question number 5. Check whether 6 in power n can never end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Means 6 in power n, and in place of n you can write any number 2, 3, 4, 5, but it never end with digit 0. If 6 in power n end with digit 0, then it must have as a factor 5, but 6 in power n is equal to multiply 3 in power n, 2 in power n, 3 in power n, shows that 2 and 3 are the only prime factors of 6 in power n. Also we know that from the fundamental theorem of arithmetic that the prime factorization of each number is unique. So 5 is not a factor of 6 in power n, hence 6 in power n can never end with digit 0. By this way, because question is can never end with digit 0, so when you will find the factor of 6, so that is 2 and 5. 5 is not coming here, so 5 is not here, but fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 5 cannot become, if factor of 6 is to multiply 3, so 5 cannot be come here. So it means 5 is not there, so 2 is there but 5 is not here. So how you can find the 10? If 10 is not there, then 0 cannot be come here. So by this method you can prove it. So can you solve this question? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question number 6. Explain why 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 is a composite number. This is the 6 number question. So this is given, then you will take the 13 as common. So 7 multiply 11 plus 1, 77 plus 1, 78. So two numbers are given here. This is when you will find the factors of both, then you have 2 or more prime factors. So that is composite number. Composite number, what is the means of composite number? If any numbers have 2 or more prime factors, if any number have 2 or more prime factors, So that is composite number. So it have two prime factor, means when we will find the factor of 78, so that is also factors of 78, and already 13 is given. It means it has more than factors. It means that is the composite number. Same way also you can prove this is 6 multiply 7 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 1. So these are also so many prime factors are given. So also this question 6 second also you can same way you can solve. Question number 7 is given. Question number 7 is, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 18 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting points? Means first time how much time they will take, and first time what is given question in after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting points. So you will solve by this method. Required minutes of the this is, so LCM of 18 and 12. 18 factors is given, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, 12 factors are this is. So LCM of this is already you know that by prime factorization you can find the LCM. LCM is 36. So therefore Ravi and Sonia will meet the starting point after 36 minutes. Thank you.